Broadcasting. Joining station.
If you're like me, your phone is basically always out. You're texting, using your apps, checking your tweets, and even in the car you have this compulsion to treat it the same way. But you can't, because when you do, bad things happen. Oh, mother... You can mount your phone on the dash for navigation, sure. But is that any safer? No, it's not. It's bad. You need your eyes in front of you. You need navdy. Navdy is a portable device you put on your dashboard with every mobile app you'd need to keep your eyes on the road ahead. It's a heads-up display, just like what commercial airline pilots use when they're landing. You hear that? Pilots use it. It's safe. There's a tiny, super high-quality projector that puts the UI on a transparent screen in your field of view, projected like it's 2 meters out in front of you, so you never have to adjust your focus away from your driving. It connects wirelessly to your phone on iOS or Android and has its own apps, all designed around the driving experience. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Ed. Just wanted to say I love you.
Okay, I love you. I'm making a video right now.
Oh, okay. I'll let you go. Just wanted to say I love you.
Okay, I love you. You use hand gestures and your voice to control it. Read new text.
Hey, bro. Where are you?
Reply. I'm right here, friend. Share my location. Play Sugar Beef. Ah, Sugar Beef. It's a fake band name. I made it up for this video. I want to introduce you to someone. This is Doug. Navdy is his thing. He's real excited about it.
It's really cool. And I think you're going to want
Tweet,
one.
driving with Doug and Navdy. Feels like driving in the future. Send.
And I think you're going to want one in your car, too.
Feels like driving in the future.
I've done it. We've all done it. And that's why we made Dashbot.
Dashbot. Get funky.
Dashbot is a $49 robot for your dashboard. It works with any car and installs in seconds. Connects to your smartphone and controls your music, maps, and messages with just your voice.
Dashbot. Text Dave, there in 5.
Text Tim Dave, there in 5. Ready to send?
Yep. Dashbot. Are we there yet?
You'll arrive around 7:30 p.m. Turn left on Jefferson in 1 mile.
We designed simple visual cues with all the information you need to find your way.
And added support for playlists, podcasts, and all your favorite online streaming services.
Best of all, your phone stays where it belongs, in your pocket.
Dashbot, take us home.
Kickstarter, we need your help. To sell Dashbot for $49, we need to make a lot of them. That's where you come in. Back Dashbot on Kickstarter today. Thanks! Now you're driving with robots.